past year, I feel like I've seen a big chunk of the world with 5-take flight, but now that I'm back home, I want to explore my own country, and I'm doing it with my friend Odni. We're gonna spend the next 2 weeks road tripping around Iceland! Woohoo! Okay, me and Odni are now driving through the Westfjords. This is more out of the way for most tourists, so we are literally by ourselves out here and it's pretty incredible. Odni.
Yeah, we did. The westernmost point.
Yeah.
In Europe. I thought it was Iceland actually.
Find a lot of in Iceland is waterfalls. Me and Odni are at the base of Dynjandi, which is the most picturesque waterfall of the Westfjords. Here in Akureyri, and I'm gonna do the challenge. I'm gonna run up the staircases up to the church, which this town is famous for. So this is what me and Odni do during long car journeys.
Allt sem ég gerir fer beint í bákan.
Allt sem ég gerir fer beint í bákan. Meningen að fara beint í bákan. Bókstaf fer ég beint í bákan. Bók, 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 ég fer beint í bákan. Me and Odni are about to do something crazy and spontaneous. We're about to jump into an ice-cold river. Odni, what do you think?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. final
can't
thoughts?
believe it.
I know, me neither. What an incredible 2 weeks though.
Yeah.
Been amazing.
Yeah.
Iceland is as soon as you go off the beaten track, you've got the place completely for yourself.